Have you ever dreamed of stepping into a room that instantly transports you to the ballpark, the Cracker Jack stand, the scent of fresh-cut grass, and the cheering crowd? Today, we'll help you design a baseball-themed room that captures that all-American atmosphere and transforms it into your own everyday retreat. Whether it's a kid's bedroom, a man cave, or a family rec space, these 10 design ideas will deliver that perfect blend of nostalgia, functionality, and team pride. Ready to round the bases?
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How do you choose a timeless color scheme that honors the spirit of baseball? Start by embracing classic baseball tones. A palette of clean white, crisp navy, and bold red instantly evokes the iconic look of a baseball uniform. Use white or light neutral paint for the 3 main walls to keep the atmosphere bright and open. Reserve the accent wall behind the bed or sofa for navy or red in a deep, matte finish to add depth. Try finishes like chalk or eggshell that replicate dugout textures. Accentuate with baseball-inspired trim like faux padding in red, navy, or white across a half-wall or door frame edge. This palette remains versatile for future updates. Swap pillows or posters without repainting. With this setup, your space feels classic, fresh, and packed with nostalgic charm. Share this if you're ready to bring ballpark passion into your home. What seating options score big on comfort and baseball style? Pick seating that delivers long-lasting comfort with ballpark flair. Use a deep cushioned armchair or love seat shepherded in navy, accented with piping in red or white to mimic baseball seams. Add a baseball padded swivel chair for study or gaming, upholstered in faux leather with seam detailing. Bean bags shaped like baseballs or worn gloves offer casual, fun seating, perfect for tossing a ball indoors. Install backless bleacher-style bench seating along one wall, maybe under a shelf or window. Great for guests and reminiscent of stadium bleachers. Upholstery should be easy to clean, poly canvas faux leather to withstand frequent use. This mix of structured and playful seating brings fan energy day and night. What flooring and rugs create both comfort and ballpark character? Protect your feet and echo the wilds of baseball with these flooring choices. Opt for warm-toned hardwood or laminate, the kind reminiscent of dugout benches or the infield mix. These materials are resilient, easy to clean, and pair beautifully with an accent rug. Place a field green, low-pile rug under central seating, or the bed to mimic turf. Add a runner striped like a foul line in red, navy, or white along traffic corridors. A soft plush rug near a reading nook can simulate the comfort of dugout seats. Always place non-slip pads under rugs to prevent shifting during excitement. This combination lends both functional ease and sporty personality to high-traffic home zones. How do you display memorabilia in a way that honors and protects it? Memorabilia is the soul of a baseball room. Honor it with intention. Install shadow box displays featuring autographed balls, bats, or jerseys, complete with interior lighting or tinted glass to preserve signatures. Use floating, LED-lit shelves to spotlight vintage gloves and bobbleheads. Hang framed pennants, ticket stubs, or iconic game photos grouped in a gallery-style design. A bat rack mounted on the wall keeps bats organized and showcases them as art. For signed baseballs, use clear acrylic display cubes in a clustered layout on a shelf or credenza. Label each item with plaques denoting player names or dates to give it archival value. Proper display preserves memories and elevates the room's authenticity. What layered lighting brings day at the ballpark ambiance to life? Create a stadium feel through layered illumination. Use a central pendant light inspired by retro stadium lanterns for overhead ambiance. Install gooseneck wall sconces above reeds or bat racks to highlight essentials. Add LED strip lights under shelves or inside mounts to softly glow at night. A scoreboard-style digital wall clock adds functional lighting with fan spirit. Include dimmable bulbs so you can switch between lively game mode and soft relaxation lightings. Accent reading lamps tied to baseball seam colors bring necessary brightness near seating. Combined, these layers mimic ballpark energy and allow flexible illumination that adapts to every moment. A baseball-themed room can be more than a tribute. It should be a lived experience. By thoughtfully combining color, seating, lighting, and memorabilia with subtle tech and nostalgic accents, you create a space that's comfortable and inspiring, that celebrates the love of baseball every day. Whether studying, gaming, or relaxing, this room will feel like a dugout at home. Start with one key element and let the rest fall into place. Step up to your design plate and swing for the fences.